A pleasant day to you, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Angelica Lee, 28 years old, from Asim, Sarangani, Philippines, and I am single. I finished my bachelor's degree in elementary education at Green Valley College Foundation Incorporated and now a licensed professional teacher. I have experience being a working student for 4 years from year 2014 to 2018 to earn money while doing different household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking, and taking care of the kids so that I am able to pay my college tuition. As of now, I am working as a private tutor, helping children with their homework and learning activities. I enjoy teaching children in a fun, gentle, and encouraging way. I am organized, trustworthy, and easy to work with. I can follow instructions well, and I am always open to learning new things. I respect family rules, culture, and privacy. To my future employer, I hope you choose me as your home tutor or any position that you can offer. I promise I prioritize my work so that I can work with you longer. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.